FAQs about silver maple. Everything you need to know. When it comes to selecting the right tree for your yard or understanding its uses, the silver maple, Acer saccharinum, often comes up. Having worked with these trees extensively, I'm here to share some insights into common questions about silver maples. See more 168 species in genus Acer maple tree at monsteraholic.com. What does a silver maple tree look like? The silver maple is easy to identify with its distinctive features. It has a broad, rounded canopy and can grow quite tall, reaching heights of 50 to 80 feet. The leaves are deeply lobed with a silver or white underside, which gives them a shimmering appearance when they flutter in the wind. In the fall, the leaves turn a striking yellow to orange, adding vibrant color to any landscape. How fast do silver maples grow? One of the standout features of silver maples is their rapid growth. They can add 2 to 3 feet in height annually, making them one of the faster-growing deciduous trees. This makes them a popular choice for quickly establishing shade in a new garden or landscape. How long do silver maples live? Silver maples have a relatively short lifespan compared to other hardwoods. On average, they live between 30 to 50 years. While they grow quickly, their longevity is somewhat limited, which is something to consider if you're looking for a long-term investment in your landscape. Is silver maple a hardwood? Technically, silver maple is classified as a hardwood. However, its wood is softer compared to other hardwoods like oak or maple. This makes it less desirable for furniture or high-impact uses. Silver maple wood is often used for pulpwood and is not commonly sought after for woodworking. Are silver maples good trees? Silver maples can be great trees, depending on your needs. They are excellent for providing quick shade and are known for their beautiful fall color. However, they do have some downsides. They have relatively weak wood, which can be prone to breakage in storms. Their root system can also be invasive, potentially causing issues with sidewalks and underground pipes. Can you tap a silver maple? Yes, you can tap a silver maple for sap, although it's not as commonly done as with a sugar maple. The sap is slightly less sweet than that of sugar maples, so it yields less syrup. However, if you're interested in maple syrup production and have a silver maple, it's certainly worth trying. Are silver maple seeds edible? Silver maple seeds are not typically consumed by humans. They are small and not particularly palatable. However, birds and other wildlife enjoy them, making them a valuable part of the ecosystem. What color does a silver maple turn in the fall? In the fall, silver maple leaves turn a bright, vibrant yellow to orange. This coloration is less intense compared to sugar maples, but it still provides a pleasant display of autumnal color. Silver maple versus sugar maple. When comparing silver maple to sugar maple, there are several differences. Sugar maples have a slower growth rate, but live much longer, often over 100 years. Their wood is denser and more valuable, and they produce sweeter sap. In contrast, silver maples grow faster but have a shorter lifespan and weaker wood. Silver maple versus red maple. Silver maples and red maples are similar in some ways, but differ in others. Red maples tend to have a more vibrant red color in the fall and are generally better suited to a wider range of soil conditions. They also have slightly better wood quality compared to silver maples. Silver maple versus Norway maple. Norway maples are often compared to silver maples. Norway maples have a more uniform leaf color and a slightly more dense canopy. They are also known for being more resistant to pests and diseases compared to silver maples. However, Norway maples are considered invasive in some regions, whereas silver maples are generally less problematic. Silver maple versus autumn blaze. Autumn blaze is a hybrid between silver maple and red maple. It combines the fast growth of silver maple with a vibrant fall color of red maple. This hybrid offers the best of both worlds, providing rapid growth and stunning autumn foliage. What is the best soil for silver maples? Silver maples prefer well-drained soils but can tolerate a range of soil types, including wet or clay-heavy soils. They are adaptable but thrive best in soils that are not overly dry. How to care for silver maples. Caring for silver maples involves regular watering, especially during dry spells. They benefit from occasional fertilization to maintain their health and vigor. Pruning is important to manage their shape and remove any weak or damaged branches. Common problems with silver maples. Silver maples can suffer from various problems, including weak wood that is prone to splitting and a tendency to develop surface roots that can disrupt lawns and pavement. They are also susceptible to certain pests and diseases, such as the silver maple borer. In summary, silver maples are a fast-growing, beautiful addition to many landscapes, offering quick shade and striking fall color. However, their relatively short lifespan and weaker wood quality are factors to consider when choosing the right tree for your space.